What I have here is a 3D printed accessory for my 75-year-old bandsaw that effectively gives it a digital readout. That lets me cut parts to precise dimensions reliably and repeatably. I'm hoping that the concept will be useful to some of you out there, even if this precise design may only fit this saw. Recessed down in the sleeve that fits over the round guide rails for the fence is a magnet. That ensures that every time I place it back over the rail, it gives me repeatable positioning. Then I can use the calipers to measure up to my fence. When I initially set this up, what I did was I guessed at a 0 position, made a test cut, and then used the discrepancy to set the 0 precisely. Now, whatever the negative readout on the digital caliper says is going to be the width of the part that I cut, so the width between the blade and the fence. Doing a couple of more test cuts, I was able to get the width of my kerf. So now I can get cuts of precise width between the fence and the blade. And knowing the kerf, I can do things like bisect boards. All I got to do is do the math, take the kerf away from the overall width, divide it in half. Then I can set my fence to that exact measurement. Lock it down. And just like that, after doing a little bit of simple math, I've got two pieces that are identical width.